everyone, we're going to evaluate the definite integral from 0 to 4 of x divided by square root of 1 plus 2x dx. And we're going to use the substitution rule for definite integrals. So we want to write everything in terms of u, and I'm going to go ahead and let u equal 1 plus 2x. So derivative of u is going to be 2 dx. Now we have to solve for dx, so dx is going to be equal to, because we have to substitute it for u, that's going to be 1/2 du. So we have that part. We're also going to have to solve for this x here. So I'm just going to take my u here and solve for x. So that's going to be u minus 1 equals 2x. So you take 1/2 of each side, gives you your x. So just solve for x for that. And we have everything except now we have to change our limits, because we're going to be working everything in terms of u, and we have to change our limits because the limits are based off x. So if x is 0, I plug in, if x is 0 here, then I'm going to get u is going to equal 1. So I just substituted. If x is 4, you can get 1 plus 8, because 2 times 4 is 8, and that means u is going to be 9. So let's see if we can substitute all this out. Our integral now, instead of 0 to 4, it's going to be 1 to 9. Our x is 1/2 u minus 1. And then we have, this is u. I'm going to go ahead and write this as u to the 1/2, though. And our dx is here, and that's going to be times 1/2 du. All right. Now, let's rewrite this a little bit and clean it up. So, this 1/2 here I can pull out and just make this 1/2 here, because you don't have to just keep it in the numerator like that. So 1/2 times 1/2 is 1/4. So I can pull that out. Now, I'm going to write each of these pieces like u divided by u to the 1/2 minus 1 divided by u to the 1/2. All right, and then we have du. All right, let's straighten this part up, and this is going to give me 1/4. Use your properties of exponents. This is going to be u to the 1/2 minus u to the negative 1/2 du. And this is, again, going from 1 to 9. Now we can go ahead and fix this up. So I'm going to go ahead and integrate this and evaluate. So we're going to get 1/4. And then I have u to the 3/2 divided by 3/2 minus u to the 1/2 divided by 1/2. And we're going from 1 to 4, or to 9. All right. Now I'm going to move this 2 up here. And if I do that, I'm going to get 1/4, 2u to the 3/2 divided by 3. I'll just make it like that. Minus 2u to the 1/2. And we're going from 1 to 9. You can start evaluating at this point, but it's a little easier if we pull out 2/3. So if I pull out 2/3, I'm going to have to change this part to 3. So this is what I'm talking about. I'm going to write this as 1/4 times 2/3, and then that's going to give me u to the 3/2 minus 3u to the 1/2. And think about it, when you multiply 2/3 times 3, that gives you back your 2. You don't have to do it. It just, for me, it makes it a little easier. So now let's do this. This 2 goes into 4. 2 times this gives me 1/6. Now, we're going to put 9 to the 3/2 minus 3 times 9 to the 1/2. All right. Minus 1 minus 3. Let me do it this way. And then do the bracket. All right. So this is going to be -2. And now let's take care of this. This is going to be 1/6. Now this right here is going to be square root of 9 is 3. 3 cubed is 27. Times 3 times 3 is going to be 9. So that's -9. So this is actually just the square root of 9 times 3 is 9. So that's that part. Minus the -2, so it's going to end up being +2. So when you take care of this, we're going to get 1/6. This is going to be 18 plus 2. I'm going to move, let's do it up here. So we're going to get 1/6, and we have 18 plus 2, that's going to be 20. So that's 20 divided by 6, and that also reduces to 10 divided by 3. And that is your final answer. Thank you. Have a nice day. Bye-bye.